Question is yes or no. After a surge overnight, markets are nearly unchanged on the day. S&Ps had been up about 1%, NASDAQ 1.5%, Dow futures were up about 500 last night. But more tariff news are putting into question the reciprocal tariffs that were put into place last month. The markets really don't like this uncertainty. Nvidia, great report, also helped markets move higher earlier. They exceeded expectations on the top and bottom line. Stock was actually up about 5% at one point. Lots of eco data earlier today. First, weekly jobless claims. They rose by 14,000 to 240,000. And the number of jobless workers collecting unemployment benefits, meanwhile, that is the continuing claims, that rose up to 1.92 million. That's the highest level since 2021. Home sales, the number of homes going under contract in the U.S., that fell sharply in April as high mortgage rates continue to bother the market. And that was according to the Home Price Monthly Index. So the pending home sales index, which is a leading indicator of house sales based on contract signings, down 6.3% in April. That more than offset the 5.5% rise in March. Economists were expecting just a smaller decline of about 1%. All eyes will be on the PCE report tomorrow. And today, U.S. Treasury yields, they are down today as investors are trying to figure out the latest developments on the tariff news. We did see the 10-year earlier today up over 4.5%. The 30-year was higher. Most yields across the board were higher. The 30-year actually now down at around 4.95. The 10-year at 4.44. The 2-year down under 4% at 3.95. ES options, very quiet volume both yesterday and today. After hitting nearly 71% put volume last Friday, yesterday's ES put volume, that was down to 57%. Today's expiring 5,900 puts and 5,950 calls, both over 10,000. And watch for tomorrow, the end of month expiring 5,900 puts. Lots of activity today, as well as the 6,000 strike calls. ES implied volatility for tomorrow, it's up a tick. It's about 17.5%. Bitcoin, there is definitely pressure on Bitcoin, now down below 107,000. MBT contracts about 70,000 today, but ETH, that's actually up about 3% in the last 24 hours, about 2,700. And the micro Ether contract futures, about 130,000 of those at CME today.